I was thinking of buying a damier e-beam. I wanted to get the mono. Oh my god! Get it together, bitch! I wanted to get this because I wanted to wear it. Hi everybody! So today I have a unboxing Louis Vuitton video for you guys. I'm really nervous. Okay, yeah, I just got home from work. Okay, I woke up like at. Okay, you may think this is pitiful, but waking up at 8:30 in the morning is very early for me, and right now it's like 7:30 at night. Excuse me. Right now it's 7:30 at night and I am exhausted. I'm so Are you done? I'm done. So let's jump right into the unboxing. Oh my god, my hair, y'all. My hair is looking... Okay, it's really dirty today. Like, super dirty. And I couldn't even wear it down and I couldn't put it in a ponytail. So I'm like, fuck it. Got it in a bun. But... Theo, stop! Shh! He's like, I had to lock him outside, my dog, because he's squeaking his new toy. But anyways, I bought this on eBay. I'm so excited. I'm just... Okay. Okay, let's just do this. Let's just do this. I paid for this on Friday, and they don't ship over the weekend, so they shipped Monday, and it got to me Friday morning. So from Japan, you know, 5 business days, that's excellent. So I was super surprised. Okay. This is Preloved, of course, and I wanted to get a antique or an older model just so I can compare to my Speedy bandolier, the 25 that was made in 2013. I've just heard a lot of good things about the older models, so, and plus it's vintage, you can't get them anymore, so, and plus they're affordable. Okay. This is a really, it was free shipping, and this is a really good box for that, so this company knows what they're doing. I really hope this is at least a decent bag because I got it for very cheap. I got it for $140. It's a lot bigger than I thought. Oh my god. It came in Japanese paper. Let's see. Yeah, no, cannot read that. Oh, okay. Get it together. Like, I'm so scared to see what it actually looks like, and I'm so nervous. Okay, I'm so nervous. Because on the picture, it looks like it's in okay condition. I know that the leather's cracked, and, oh, okay. Because I can't really see it through this. This is the Louis Vuitton St. Cloud GM. This is the biggest size they have. I think they have an MM and a PM size, if I'm not mistaken, but I wanted the GM just because it's just bigger and it fits more stuff. Like, I know for sure, like, this entire thing was gonna have to be replaced, which I was gonna, I know, like, don't kill me guys, I was gonna snip it anyways and then put my, my strap for my bandolier on there. But the canvas is in excellent condition. I mean, it's super sturdy. I'm just examining the stitching just to make sure it's, like, authentic. There is some stickiness on the inside, which I can easily take that off. Doesn't bother me. I can just use Brasso, what is it called? Yeah, to just lighten up this right here. A little concern based on the stitching on this side right here. I'll do a close-up. I guess where it's just so old. It just smells like an antique warehouse, honestly. But the canvas, it just feels so sturdy. There's cracking along the glazing. If there is, this is glazing. I can't tell. Yeah, it is. And then the inside pocket is sticky as well. And then the date code. This was made in June 1992. I was born in 93, so this thing is like 25 years old. I knew, buying this, I knew that it was in horrible condition. Like, in my mind, it was in shitty condition, that I wasn't gonna get a good, you know, deal out of it. I strictly wanted it because of the canvas. I just wanted to feel it compared to my Speedy bandolier. I knew that the leather and the vachetta is gonna be brown almost, but I actually don't mind it. It's actually really pretty. The construction of the bag definitely held up. I mean, it's definitely worth $140 to me, but if I've seen this in person, I would have snatched it up. What am I saying? Yeah, this is hanging on by the thread. The canvas, you hear that? That sounds awesome. But in the back here, it can easily fit my phone, which I don't really want to stick that in there right now. I'm probably gonna clean it out before I do anything. I'm debating if I want to keep this strap, just because it's literally about to fall apart. And I have another strap that I can easily hook onto, because there's no restoring this strap at all, whatsoever. I'm gonna grab my Speedy bandolier real quick. The canvas, it has very similar textures, but this one, like, it's just so sturdy. I'm just concerned about the stitching, like right here, because it's so old and it's double stitched. Even the stitches, it's more dominant. But yeah, so I got this for $140 from the eBay seller, the store. I'll leave it down below, and I think it's a good deal. I'm just going to snip this too, because I can always, this is what I was talking about, but this just looks newer, and I can just strap it on like this. I got this because I wanted to wear it in the rain, in the snow, the harsh cold, the harsh hotness, like whatever. Like, I want to be able to just take this around, take it to work, just, I know, throw it on the ground if I need to, not that I want to, but just, I want to be carefree with this. I paid $1,500 for this bag, and I still baby it, like, severely. But this one, I paid $140. I mean, it's still a lot of money for a bag, don't get me wrong, but that's a very fair price for a Louis Vuitton bag. And I think I'm gonna start collecting vintage bags. I also have this strap, which I plan on wearing with this, just because I'm able to wear it in the rain. Anyways, that wraps up my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to share, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Bye, guys.